Now is the time to do nothing in order to recognize and experience the state after the practice of meditation. Let's share our experiences once with a time. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes, open the eyes inside the palms. Know your experiences. Bring the hands down. Here, now, going to share our experiences. How are you, Anne? I see the smile on your face.
Okay. I feel good. I I felt I'm feeling grounded, but at the same time there was parallel, all kinds of things going on, but I could keep it away from me, so
Yes.
I could concentrate on the meditation. So
Yeah, that's so beautiful. I'm able to keep aside all the stuff going on into the mind. Then I recognize that I can do it. I can keep all the stuff aside, which I'm not able to do during the days,
right,
during my daily living. You see that, so if I keep aside all the stuff, focus on what is right and good during the day, life changes. How are you, John?
Girish, okay. I had a good meditation. I was able to concentrate on that while the cat was fooling around, but that didn't bother me.
And see, if the cat cannot bother you, so none of the thoughts that enters the mind should bother you from today. It gives a new perspective that if a particular event outside cannot 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 if the cat, I'm just giving a reference point. If even any event outside cannot take over my mind, it means I am capable. What it means I'm capable? I'm a seeker. I don't get carried away by the inner honey. Which honey is dear to you, John, inner or the outer? Outer honey is not present, that's why I'm asking. No, keep the answer to yourself. How are you, John?
Hello, everyone. Good. My mind was very busy. My inner honey was not having this meditation stuff, so I just had to go, okay, thank you very much, bye. Thank you very much, bye.
Yeah.
And then towards the end of the meditation, I think when we did the Shanto Hum twice,
Yeah.
that really, the inner honey didn't get a chance. It was almost like a little busybody just going, but, and I went, Shanto Hum, Shanto Hum, Shanto Hum. And then my body felt really heavy, almost like I dropped down inside it. Like my body just felt like this, just like it changed. And then I was somewhere else in the space.
Yeah, so you see that it means that while reciting Shanto Ham 2 times in one breath has helped you. So sometime, one time it helps, sometime 2 times, sometime other steps. So we should keep note of it whenever the mind makes us crazy. Use this also as a tool. Shanto Ham. I don't like this guy, Shanto Ham. I hate this guy, Shanto Ham. But I have to do it consciously in order to counter the mind. If you don't do it, nothing is going to happen. Beautiful. How are you, me?
I feel very, very refreshed and bright. And I feel like when you have an attic in your home and there's all this junk in the attic and the cobwebs, and I'm clearing out all that junk. And
That's very good.
Yeah, it's good.
We should again. So when you feel that now it is always good to contemplate and reflect after every meditation practice. What happened as an experience? What should have happened? And why it did not happen? The answer to all these questions lies with our inner honey. Neither with the cat, not with the outer honey.
The inner honey.
Very good. That is all for today. We'll meet next week. Thank you very much.
Thank you.